Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, we are making this fine fabric flower material, and it's A-line dress that we are using it to make. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and give it a thumbs up. So let's get started right now. I will fold my fabric in A-line shape. So this, I'm going to fold it like this. So just fold it like this. So can you see what I'm doing here now? It's not really full triangle form, since we are making it a line, so it will not be too full for the folding. So let me fold it. So can you see what I'm doing here now? So this is it now. So I will cut out the one that I will use now. So I hope it's showing. So let me cut the one that we need now. So now we'll start with my measurement, and before then, let me have a straight line. So I'm rolling it like this. So on this line, that is where I will place my tape to mark, to get our length. It's A-line dress, but what I'm doing now is the down side that I want to cut first. That is the A-line flare, before we will now cut the upper side. So I will place my tape like this, starting from here to get my length. My length is 42. So that's my 42 inches. So I will continue to mark my length. So I want you guys to see it clear. So this is my 42 inches that I marked. So I will also take it up again to shift it up to go and get our flare at the downside. So I hope you can see it now. I hope my camera is picking it for you to see. So now we have gotten our length. So from my length measurement is 42 inches. So now this is where I started it. So I will hold my tape like this to get that length and to continue to curve it. This is 42 inches. So just hold it and take it 42 inches. So why doing that? Because of the flare, so that it will curve at that down part. So I will just continue to mark my 42 inches. So here it is. We've gotten our length and our curve for the flare. So coming down again, let me push it again for you to see. So this is it. I hope you are seeing it well. So now our waist measurement now, let me see, shift it again. I want you guys to see what I'm doing very well. So this is our waistline. So my waist that I'm having is 26 inches. So 26 inches divided by 4, it will give us 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches I marked, and add my sewing allowance, 2 inches. So what I will do now, just take from my waist and take it and flare it out, because it's flare. So let me use my tape to do it, because it's a longer length. So I'll just take it like this. So I'll continue to take it and flare it out. So that is it. So the next step is to cut it out. So I will cut it starting from my waist side and cut. So please watch my video down to the end and subscribe to my channel, please. So that is what I'm doing here now. So I'm cutting. So I will continue to cut it like this, and also take it up again, so that the remaining side of it, you can see what I'm doing there. So this is it. So now it's almost done. So let me see, take it up. I want you to see everything that I'm doing and I want you guys to know how to cut this tie. So this our length here now. So I'm still cutting. You can see the way it's now curving at that down side because the down is curved. So that is it now. And also to show you what we have for the width of our flare. So let me measure it for you to see. What we have here is 18 inches. So by the time you open it, what will it give us? 36. That's for the front now. So you can see how it is now. So this is it now. So can you see? So that is it. So I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. You can see how it is now. So you can see the shape. So I will cut the back now. So this is my back piece now. What I just did here is to add my zipper allowance, which is 1 inch that I added in the zipper side. So I will just use this front that I've folded on top and cut the back. So I will do that now. So let me cut the back now. So this is our hairline dress. So it's the down part, that is the flare that we are cutting now. And I'll also show you how to cut the upper side, and then our dress will be complete. So I'm taking it up for us to cut the waist side. So this is my waist side that I'm cutting also. So please watch my video down to the end, and please subscribe. And if you don't understand what we are also doing here, please I implore you to watch this video again so that you can see what we have done there and you can sew for yourself. So this is the airline dress and almost ready. So that is it now. We've cut out the front and the back. So let me open the zipper side of it now for you to see. So I just want you to see what I'm doing here now. So I will also start from the down side to open the zipper part. So that's my zipper part that I'm opening. So this is it now. After that is the next step is to cut the upper part. So that's my zipper part. Remember, it's 1 inch that we added for our zipper part. So let me take it down a bit. So this is it now. So this is it now. So can you see what I've done there now? This is the upper part now that I want to cut out now. So what I did is that my half length, I've already removed it from there. So my half length is 17 inches. So I added 17.5 for the sewing. So that's my 17.5 inches. So now we'll start from the neckline. Our neckline is 4.5 inches. That's what I'm marking here. So bring it down is 3 inches and is round neck that we are making. So to bring the upper part of the neckline, I'm bringing it by 1.5 inches, that is the down slope. So I will bring it like this. That is for the neck now. So coming to the from the shoulder to the chest line, I will be marking 7.5 inches. So that is my 7.5 inches. On that line is where we get our bust measurement. So my bust measurement here is 34 inches. 34 divided by 4, what will it give us on tape is 8.5 inches. So that's my 8.5 inches, adding my sewing allowance. So, and now my sewing allowance is 1.5 inches. So coming to my waist is 27 inches. So this is my 27 inches here, adding my sewing allowance also 1.5 inches. So for my shoulder divided by 2, My shoulder is 15 inches. 15 inches is 7.5 on the tape. So that's my 7.5 that I'm marking for my shoulder. And then I will roll it to have a straight line on it. So that is it. And to slope my shoulder is by ½ inch. So I will also slope it using my roller to roll it down like this. So to curve my armhole, I will place it on my chest line that I have. I is placing it like this. And what I place there is 2 inches to curve it. Also using my curve roller to curve the armhole. So that is it. So now we are done with our measurement now. Is to connect it from the bust to the waist. So I will connect all my marks there from the bust to the waist. And I will not just leave it at the down part here. I have to curve it. I'm going to mark ½ inch, 1 inch place to curve it. So you know why I'm doing that? For it to balance well on the waist. That's why we are marking that 1 inch to curve it. So now we are done with our measurement. Is to cut now. This is how you are going to cut your A-line dress. What I will do first now is to cut it, and after doing that I will also show you how to place it. Not that we are sewing it, but to show you how to join it if you want to sew. Mine, I'm not going to sew it now. I just want to show you how to cut it now. So just stay tuned and watch it down to the end, because I will show you how to place it by the time I finish cutting. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So this is the front side that I'm cutting. So I will use this one that I've cut out to cut the back side of it. And the next side that I've cut now is the back. So now I want to use my front piece that I've cut out to lay on this to cut the back now. So I'm adding my zipper allowance. So my zipper allowance is 1 inch. I'll use my tape to measure it for you to see. So this is my zipper side using 1 inch. You can see. So this is it now. So I'll just cut it now. So please, I want you guys to comment on this video and watch this video down to the end, please, and subscribe. Please, I need your subscribe. So I'm just arranging it well, because you know it's a flower material, it can be moving around. So I'm just placing it now. So let me cut the neck now. So that is it. So to cut the other side of it, so I'm just cutting it now. So please guys, add your fabric and make this style for yourself, because it's a lot fine material that we just use, and it's a flower material, as you can see. You can also use any material of your choice anyway to achieve this style. So please continue to watch my video, and let me open this back side of it so that you see everything that I've done here. So that is the cutting. Please subscribe once more. So I've pinned the back side, that is my zipper side, and now this is the front. So this I'm going to place it. Not that I'm sewing it anyway, just showing you how you can do it and how I can do it too. So this is it. So this is the front and the back. And also for the flare that we cut, you know, it's a dress that we are making, A-line dress. So this is the waist side of it now. So you just place it like this. Let me shift it up a bit. Even though you are not seeing this side of it, I want to just show you what to do if you are joining it at the waist side of it. So can you see how it is? You can see that it has started coming out. So this is how our A-line dress will be. So this I'm going to sew it, assuming I'm sewing it. I'm just showing you what you do if you want to pin it, sew it. We are not sewing it for now. I'm just showing you how to cut it and how to pin it if you want to pin it and sew. So our earlier dress is almost ready here now. So as you can see, so please watch my video down to the end and comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.